you for joining us for an Avlite technical support video. My name's Adam, and today we're going to show you how to replace the battery in your AV-426. Designed to be almost maintenance free, the AV-426 requires minimal attention, though the following maintenance and servicing information is provided to help ensure the life of your Avlite product. Firstly, some general maintenance items before I show you how to check and replace your battery. Occasional cleaning of the solar panels may be required. Using a cloth and soapy water, wipe off any foreign matter before rinsing the panels with fresh water. Inspection of the battery should be performed at minimum every 3 years to ensure that the charger, battery and ancillary electronics are functioning correctly. The tools you'll need for your AV-426 maintenance or servicing is a 3mm Allen key, a 5mm Allen key, a spare O-ring which would be supplied in your Avlite servicing kit, and a voltmeter. The AV-426 has an internal battery compartment which provides the user with the ability to change the battery after years of operation. To begin the replacement process, remove the 4 M5 socket head screws using an M5 Allen key at the top lens assembly and separate the AV-426 lens assembly from the body. Next, remove the 2 M2 socket head cap screws and washers from the top battery bracket. Now separate the light head at the connectors. Lift the upper battery bracket out of the AV-426. Disconnect the old battery and remove it from the chassis. Using a voltmeter, check that the battery voltage is at least 12 volts under 100 mA load and ensure all terminals are clear of foreign matter. Make sure you discard the old battery in a safe manner. Connect the new battery and place the battery pack into the light body and position the upper battery bracket into the top of the chassis. Secure the top of the AV-426 using 2 M2 socket head cap screws and washers. Care must be taken to observe the polarity of each wire before they are connected. Make sure you feed all the wiring back into the light body and ensure the O-ring is placed properly back on top of the light body. Realign the bidirectional indicators on the base with the light head to ensure correct alignment of the light output on the runway. Place 4 M5 socket head screws. Half tighten all 4 socket head screws and then fully tighten each socket head screw to ensure an even seal. It is recommended that the bolts for holding the light head to the solar base units have a torque setting applied of 3 Nm for a satisfactory seal. Applying a higher torque setting is not recommended and may void the warranty. If in doubt, please contact your local Avlite representative. Finally, to ensure the new battery has been installed correctly, place a dark cover, such as a towel or jacket, on top of the light to activate the sensor and check that the light turns on. The remote control will need to be used to test the operation of the light. For more information, download the new AV-426 manual at avlite.com. And that's how you replace the AV-426 battery. To order a new battery, contact your Avlite sales representative or visit the website avlite.com to request a call back. Thank you for watching the Avlite technical support video. We'll see you next time.